In July 1994, the gigantic underground space was completed, and work immediately began on constructing the water tank. A number of methods had been devised to save as much time as possible on the construction. One of these was to give the tank a 20-sided polygonal cross-section, in order to make the difficult process of bending stainless steel unnecessary. Despite the great size of the underground space, it was not sufficient to allow the use of a tower crane or scaffolding of the usual type. An overhead travelling crane was therefore installed on the ceiling and used to set the sheets of stainless steel in place. Sliding scaffolding was employed and raised in keeping with the pace of the construction work. It not only filled the role of scaffolding, but also had to be able to withstand the pressures imposed by the work of placing the concrete. In order to advance the beginning of experimentation by even the shortest amount of time, the covering section of the tank was assembled on the floor of the excavated space.